You even shim, bro? I set up an example of a typical door they call a sagging. It's always rubbing on the face, not closing. So you don't need to bend hinges to fix this. We're going to be using some shims. I make these, sell them. If you're going to move the door, you want to move the door in the opening, right? So it's got to go like this. So what we want to do is move the knuckle back. And to do that, you're going to put a shim in under the pad on the appropriate side. So in this case, we're going to put the shim on this side, like this, so that it moves the hinge point back, and then it's going to move the door back in the opening. And you can stack these as you need to. They're magnetic. So 1, 2, 3, here we go. See how fast we can do this. I got 2 screws out just to make it a little sweeter. We're going to take our shim. We're going to put it in the side that's going to add space on the strike side. Not every opening is square, so it's not like you can just throw hinges up, doors up, and they just work. But when you shim it, it's all it needs. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. Stop bending hinges.